on, little guy. Come on. Come on. Where am I? There you go. That's it. Good boy. Good, clever. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at you. Look at you.
You're doing so great, Max. You're doing so terrific. He's starting to lift his head up more. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, he is. Come on. He is lifting his head up more.
He's going to become more curious.
He doesn't need to rely on the ground so much.
Yeah.
No. And draw him towards an obstacle and see.
Oh, there you go, you see?
There you go.
There you go. Now you move away.
Boy.
Good boy. Good boy. You're doing so terrific.